Hello friends, I'm Shreya. In this video, I will make a viral design that I will make using Safetypins and pearls. Hope you like the design too. Today we are making earrings with a very simple process. First we will use jewelry making wire. If you want, you can use big size eye pin. We will continue to add Safetypins using jewel making wire. Watch the video at the end. Once it will be completed, the earring design will be really nice. In this case, we are adding 10 mm pearls. I will continue to add 10 mm pearls one by one in the middle of each Safetypins. I will add 2 eye pins to each other. I will use a beautiful flower bead. In this case, I will add a ear stud using glue gun. Thank you so much. Please give a like to the video. Subscribe and support Diyartiepie.